Hey, how are you doing today? I wanted to show you a quick install here. This is going to be the Password JDM Gurney flap. So, whenever I got this, it came a little bit crooked, so I'm going to see. I did buy 3M tape and replace the tape that was at the bottom, so I'm going to see how well it sticks here. I purchased this for Thanksgiving Black Friday, just now getting around to putting it on. I've been snowboarding out in Colorado and New Mexico. So let me get this tape off of here and I'll stick it on. Alright, so I have the tape removed. That's probably my least favorite thing out of doing any mod, is honestly just taking off this stupid backing that they have on this tape. So I'm going to go ahead and get this aligned and then apply it on. Slowly just kind of pushing down on it. Hopefully it holds where it's at. Then I'm going to take a heat gun and actually just a hair dryer. Heat it up, make sure it's really good and stuck on there. Now the reason why I'm showing you this from the front side is because I have a little bit something special to show you all around the rest of the car, which kind of goes along with the carbon fiber look that I'm putting on now. So that looks like it's held. Let me just take a heat gun to it, get it on there, and then I'll show you the car. Here's a final look of the Password JDM Gurney flap. Turned out pretty good. Like I said, it did come a little kind of cockeyed from the dealer, so that's the only thing that kind of sucked about this, is I did kind of have to let it sit out, put a heat on it, or a heat gun on it, and just kind of bend it back as much as I could. And then, like I said, I put 3M tape on there. So to show you the other stuff I've done, I bought some 5D vinyl. I did the back here. I got new carbon fiber license plates. And then along the sides, I've just wrapped everything, including the pillars, all new with this 5D, as well as the mirrors. The mirrors I think turned out pretty good, and I used some knifeless cutting tape to do that. So this all came out really good. This wrap is definitely a pain to work with. As you can see really close right here, it kind of comes over. So it's not my favorite, not the best wrap that you want to work with, but it was cheap. It was on Amazon for like, I think I paid $42 for a 5-foot by 8-foot roll, which is pretty crazy. And again, here's the engine bay. I may wrap this later on, but I'm gonna do my friend's first. I want to see how his looks and compare it to the carbon fiber I have in here, and then do it, because I'd rather keep gloss black than rather put another carbon fiber on here and it not look the same as this and just kind of look out of place, where this looks pretty good right now. So I hope you enjoyed this quick install. Make sure to check out some of my other videos, or another one if you're looking to do this as well. This Gurney flap looks pretty sweet here, I'm not gonna lie. So happy driving, guys, and enjoy.